So I've been riding the ENGWE L20 3.0 for a while now, and I want to give you my honest, no-nonsense take on it. First impressions? This thing is built like a tank. It's heavy, solid, and feels more like a small electric scooter bike hybrid than a regular e-bike. The full suspension really stands out. Bumps, potholes, rough roads, it actually does a good job smoothing things out. Power-wise, it's surprisingly strong. The torque kicks in quickly, and hill climbing is honestly effortless most of the time. You do feel that boost, especially in higher assist modes. But don't expect a lightweight, sporty feel. This is more of a comfort commuter than a speed machine. Now the downsides. It's heavy, like really heavy. If you need to carry it upstairs or load it often, you'll feel it. And the pedaling without assist? Yeah, it's not the easiest bike to ride like a normal bicycle. Overall, I'd say the L20 3.0 is worth it if you want comfort, range, and power on a budget, but not if you want something light or super refined.